Good morning, namaskar, everyone, and I hope everyone is keeping healthy and safe and taking good care of yourself. Festivities, traditions, customs, they're the heart of the Indian culture, and so it's no surprise that excitement ramps up around the country during the festival period. It sparks many micro moments too. In fact, at my own home, you keep listening to this conversation that, Diwali dinner recipes, I want to bake a cake, oven needs to be replaced. I need to buy my own laptop, can't share with your son anymore. And the best was, need to get the house painted, and I said, this time I must get some courage. And I said, from inside, people inside, they said, no, 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 from outside. So you get those unexpected answers. So that happens. But well, while the road to the economic recovery is long and troubled, but all these discussions gives a very positive sentiment. And I'm in no doubt that amongst the marketeers also, it is a time to cash in the upcoming festival season. The pandemic continues, the vaccine is still a few months away, but the sentiments of the home weary consumers are also improving, and with many are eager to step out and shop, and therefore it becomes imperative to engage with the customers actively now. In any normal circumstances, the brands look at the festive season as an opportunity to gain maximum ROIs, leverage the consumer sentiments during this time. It's actually the time when you buy new clothes, white goods, homes are whitewashed, interiors are redone, the household goods are bought. Purchase of the gold is considered auspicious during this particular time. The brands clamor for the TV ads and sales and promotions. You see all that happening around. But unlike festival time shopping, this year is not a normal year. And we will all agree that COVID-19 has adversely impacted the retail and the shopping center industries, and in turns, it is also affecting the way people celebrating the festivals and the special occasions as well. So what does this all mean for a brand owners, for marketeers, and is your brand really connecting with your target audience? Is your brand visible during these celebrations? Are your brand and consumers leveraging the digital landscape? How should you be spending to entice your customers? What happens if you don't achieve the ROIs with all these particular spends? And I would love to hear from the panelists today, and the key insights that, they are ensuring that the brand is ready to meet the customers and in this particular festive season. We have an outstanding panel of leaders today. They're the top leaders in the retail industry, and I'm glad that they have all taken out time to, in probably one of the most busy period for them, for a very free flowing conversation. So allow me to have a very brief introduction for everyone. So we got Ajay Arora. Ajay is the managing director for DTechCorp. Anshu Sharma, co-founder and CEO of Magic Pin. Girisha, executive director, Knight Frank India. Ritesh Kushal, chief of marketing and insights, Infinity Retail, Chroma. And we got Sachin Jain, managing directors, DBS India. And the conversation is moderated by Anurag Mathur, partner strategy and which is a part of the PwC network. So very, very warm welcome to everyone. Anurag, the screen is all yours. And I will return towards the end to speak to everyone on how's your shopping list looking like this Diwali. And until then, I'll take the best seat to hear a very, very engaging.